Hi, this is Bill. In this demo, I'll be showing you tips and tricks on how you come out to be an expert report builder in ServiceNow. So from our previous demo, I showcased how easy it is to create a report. And now what we will be showing, again, we're going to go to reports, filter out /run to be able to go to this module, right? And as we arrive here, there are quite a few reports already available. And once I actually do a search, and let's say I'm looking for a model or a template, that's something that I could be using, right? So as I do a search, right, under an incident, so it filters out all the reports from an incident. So as you can see, the source is basically a table. And for example, here, let's drill down on all incidents by assignment, and you will have a template already on how it's basically being created. So if we start with the data, right? So you put a report name, a table, a source type, and a table, right? And you could basically reuse this, right? And see how it is configured, right? And you see how it's grouped by, right, stacked by, and so on. So the strengths here is what you can do is go to the right and do an insert and stay, right? So as you do an insert and stay, right? So what you already automatically copy the report, right? So it doesn't hurt because what happened is you managed to duplicate its capabilities, right? And now you could use this as your laboratory, right? So for example, now it's all, and as you copied it, right? So you could basically, let's say active is true, right? As you run it, right? And you have basically changed the outcomes of the report already. So depending on the purpose, right? And you could reuse the out of the box templates, insert and stay, right? And now be able to save it, right, in a new source, right? That we will be using, and you could be adding it to a dashboard or sharing it to a group of people, right? Depending on your purpose, right? So that's one way of doing it, right? So now let's get another example, right? So for example, all incidents by state. So if you drill down, right, so it will stay the same, right? So you could copy as much reports as you want, build from the template, make sure that you understand how the configure works. So the only way to strengthen your experience, right, is to get your hands dirty, right? And again, you can do an insert and stay, rename the report, right? And you will be able to build reports looking like an expert or an expert already by using these tips and tricks that we have provided. And hopefully you get more guidance from myself, and it will be your bridge on becoming a senior developer or best developer in your in your organization.